Good morning, students. This is Social Studies, Lesson 13, National Symbols. In this video, you will study about national symbols of India. Children, all the nations have some national symbols. So, India also has many national symbols with which it identifies itself and takes pride in them. These symbols are chosen from India's unique flora and fauna and culture and civilization. These symbols say a lot about our country, India. So children, we must always respect our national symbols. Here are some national symbols we will study in this lesson. National flag, tricolor. National anthem, Jana Gana Man. National song, Vande Mataram. National animal, tiger. National bird, peacock. National flower, lotus. National tree, banyan tree. National fruit, mango. And national river, Ganga. Children, in this video you will study about all these symbols of India one by one.
National flag. The national flag of India is called tricolor or Tiranga. It is called so because it has equal bands of three colors. It is a symbol of freedom and unity. It is rectangular in shape and is made of khadi or other hand-woven cloth. The three bands of our national flag are: topmost band is of saffron color, middle band is white color, and bottom band is of green color. The saffron band stands for sacrifice and courage. The white band stands for peace. In the center of the white band there is a navy blue chakra or wheel. The green band stands for prosperity. The blue chakra that is in the center of white band has equally spaced 24 spokes. It has been taken from the Ashoka pillar and it represents Dharma. Rules to be followed while hoisting the tricolor. When the flag is hoisted, the saffron band should be at the top. The tricolor can be unfurled from sunrise to sunset. In a procession, the flag must always be in the front. A dirty or torn flag should never be hoisted. The flag is flown at half-mast in case of death of national dignitaries. When the tricolor is lowered or flown at half-mast, it means that the flag is not at the top of the pole. The decision to do so lies with the President of India, who also decides the period of such mourning. Even when the flag is to be flown at half-mast, it must first be raised to the top of the mast and then slowly lowered. National Anthem. Jana Gana Man is the national anthem of India. It is sung on important occasions and it is also sung in the school assembly every day. Rabindranath Tagore composed the national anthem in Bengali language. Later, it was translated into Hindi. Our national anthem should be sung in approximately 52 seconds. While it is being sung, we should stand in attention. We should not talk or move. Vande Mataram is our national song. It was composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It inspired the people during the freedom struggle. Our national emblem has been taken from the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. It has 4 lions in 4 directions. There is a wheel in the center known as Dharma Chakra. There is a bull and a horse on the either sides of the wheel. The words Satyamev Jayate are inscribed on national emblem, which means truth alone triumphs. Our national emblem can be seen on the coins, currency notes, postcards, envelopes, and on the government documents. Tiger is the national animal of India. It symbolizes bravery and strength. Peacock is the national bird of India. It symbolizes beauty and pride. Lotus is the national flower of India. It symbolizes purity and dignity. The Indian banyan tree is the national tree of India. It symbolizes longevity. Mango is the national fruit of India. It symbolizes prosperity and happiness. The Ganga is the national river of India. It is the sacred river. Important points of this lesson. The national flag of India is tricolor. It has three equal bands of saffron, white, and green color. The white band has a wheel with 24 spokes. Janagana Man is the national anthem of India. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. The national emblem of India was taken from the Ashoka pillar, Sarnath. Tiger is the national animal. Peacock is the national bird. Lotus is the national flower. Banyan tree is the national tree. Mango is the national fruit. And the Ganga is the national river of India.
Now children, read the lesson and revise the important points of this lesson. Thank you very much.